Hi guys, welcome back again to the CNC channel. This time I want to show how we can create hashtag in YouTube video. How to do that? Let's upload our video. Okay, for example, I upload my video called Easiest Way How You Can Mining Cryptocurrency. Okay, like this. For example, this video we will give three hashtag like this. Okay, you can see hashtag start with fence here. Now to create hashtag you can just put into description. For example, uh, you can create hashtag meaning like this, then currency, and then money. Okay, in the hashtag it can with space. So if you have uh, two words, for example, you can just type make money like this. Okay, or you can just make money like this. I do this because I just want words in here, and then you can also paste your keyword to uh, meta text here, so your video will more SEO for YouTube or a Google search, of course. Okay, I can type meaning like this, and then also I want to repeat cryptocurrency for tech and how to meaning money, for example, like this. Okay, so if you do this like that, you will have more SEO in the Google search or the YouTube search. And let's see if this upload is finished and we can check our video have hashtag. If you have a hashtag more than three like this, YouTube will automatically uh, show just three via their algorithms. So I just recommend you to give just three hashtag in every video. That's most relevant with your video, of course. You can see here my video has been uploaded. So just I click publish here, and let's see the result for our hashtag, of course. Okay, you can see here that is my hashtag now, so it more SEO for YouTube search and Google search, of course. That's all tutorial how to create hashtag on YouTube video. If any question, you can send me via email hello@nosware.com, or leave the comment in this channel. Thanks for watching and see you. Bye bye.